top company, even Mercedes and all these companies are still family owned. The moment they become corporate, this you see a different involvement. And I had been told Sudhakar is also having the same kind of philosophy. So Eluplast was born in 1982. It was a management buyout wherein our chairman bought this company as a part of management. And then we started expanding our plants all over the world. And these are the moment how we moved in. Yeah. So we are the largest in Germany at the moment. We are processing 125,000 ton PVC every year. We are the single brand, biggest brand. Like there are a couple of people who are having different brands, and all collectively we are the largest brand in Europe. And we have around 24 manufacturing and sales locations all over the world. And you see the tonnage, how we started moving from 83 to 2012. And now in 2014, we are close to 125,000 tons in terms of the tonnage, which is the largest capacity in whole Europe. So this is the family sites. In the middle, you will see Mr. Manfred Seitz. He resembles to Senior Mila sir. And this quite well integrated with the successors, Mr. Dirk Seitz and Patrick Seitz. So Dirk Seitz and Patrick Seitz, they are already taken over the company. So the key factors when we are talking about Eluplast, the key factors was that we never entered as a buyer-seller relationship. That was the philosophy. Even I took over with the same philosophy, that we talk as a partnership. We don't talk it as a buyer-seller relationship. So here also you will see with Sudhakar, you will not see that we are coming as a salesman or we just like a real partnership. Then the flexibility in the sense that when we are really partner, then we can understand the need of the market and we have to adopt the flexibility in the market. Now when we have the product, we have a variety of product. We are making around 20,000 different profiles. So when we talk of 20,000 profiles, and if we are starting with 20-25 profiles in India, so what will happen when we have a new next generation coming up? What do? Shall we scrap everything? No. We have a very large campaign of compatibility. Our lot of systems are compatible to each other. And the last but not the least, Eluplast is very well renowned on innovation. So I was just sharing my thoughts with innovation, that innovation is not that it's only a word, but innovation means that Eluplast is always evolving a system which is maybe needed 10 years down the line. Like in Europe in 2018, there is going to be an environmental standard called EN-EVE, this European norm environmental. This is going to be implemented in 2018. Now in 2018, the U value, the thermal conductivity, what we need in 2018 as a law, people who are changing the window in 2014, they cannot change the window again in 2018. So we have the product available already, and that is the innovation with Eluplast. And partnership, I explained the partnership in brief, that we are not into a buyer-seller relationship. You will see in the market that we will be certainly, though we are going to be a passive partner, but you will see us more actively in the market to support Sudhakar Group, the product, the next generation, and all the people around.